Hi all, myself Megha Marialal, second year BSc Zoology Model 2 student. Today I am here before you to do a presentation on the topic International Vulture Awareness Day as a part of Bhoomithrasena Club of St. Xavier's College for Women, Aluva. Before going into the presentation, let me thank Dr. Animal VS, who is the coordinator of Bhoomithrasena Club of our college, for giving me this opportunity. Let's move towards the presentation. So, as a part of introduction, we can say that the first Saturday of September in every year is International Vulture Awareness Day. Vultures are an ecologically vital group of birds that face a range of threats in many areas that they occur. Populations of many species are under pressure and some species are facing extinction. The initiative is run jointly by the Birds of Prey program of the Endangered Wildlife Trust in South Africa and the Hawk Conservancy Trust in England. The aim of celebrating this International Vulture Awareness Day is that in order to raise awareness of the threats that vultures are currently facing and to promote concerted actions to support and conserve these iconic species. Now, when we look towards certain features of vulture, from that figure itself, it is clear that they have a featherless head and neck, hooked beak, broad wings, and very powerful feet. And next is the economic importance of vultures. They are a key component to maintaining healthy ecosystems. Because of their role as nature's garbage disposers, vultures are able to keep the environment clean and free of contagious diseases. By riding the ground of dead animals, vultures prevent diseases from spreading to humans and animals. So, these play a very important role in our ecosystem. Then, this is one of the most important characteristic of vultures. That is, they are known as nature's cleanup crew. Why they are known as nature's cleanup crew? The answer is that as they are scavengers, they seek out the carcasses of dead animals as their primary source of food. Vultures, along with a variety of insects and other scavengers, feast on these carcasses, helping to eliminate toxic bacteria and diseases. Vultures have such powerful digestive systems that they are even able to digest botulism and completely eliminate it from the environment. Thus, they are known as the nature's cleanup crew. Then, these are certain threats faced by vultures. The first one is the poisoning. And in that, we can say that most of the farmers are using loads of poisons or toxic materials in their farming areas for an effective harvesting methods. So that can be leads to the death of vultures. That means that toxic poisons can create a great impact on these vulture populations. Then the second threat is that the mortality caused by power grid infrastructure. That is, bird mortality by electrocution on power poles is a global problem that has become more prevalent in recent years as energy demand increases, resulting in infrastructure growth often in previously undeveloped areas. Then the third threat is that the collision. And the fourth threat is the decline of food availability. That is, as obligate scavengers feeding on carcasses of various sizes, vultures are susceptible to declines in the availability of carcasses, especially of ungulates to feed on. And the most important threat that is faced by vultures is that the habitat loss, degradation, fragmentation, as well as the climatic changes. That is, habitat loss and degradation are susceptible to have played roles in dramatic declines of large vultures, with the root cause being the rapid increase and associated development in the human population and loss of suitable habitat as a result of settlement expansion. And when we talk about climatic changes, we can say that the climate change affects birds in different ways, that is, altering distribution, abundance, behavior, genetic composition, and timing of events like migration or breeding, etc. So, these are the main threats faced by vultures. Then, we can look what we can do to protect this species. That is, certain conservation strategies include captive breeding and rewilding, countrywide drug bans, toxin-free zones, spying and monitoring technologies, and very importantly, an improved public awareness. So, as a whole, we can say that vultures play a key ecological role as scavengers and provide important benefits to society. So, it is our duty to protect this nature cleanup crew. Thus, let us join our hands in order to fulfill this great aim. So, let us save vultures. These all are the references, and thank you all.